Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday Morning, combo for several different people, but I'm just going to put it all together as one haul. This is a purchase for me. This is one of the contour steel rule dies, and the advantage of a steel rule die, as you can see, is very thick, is that it can cut out other materials other than just paper. It can cut out several sheets of paper, cardstock, chipboard, matte board, grunge board, fabric, things like that. So this is called the Great Expectations, which is an hexagonal 6-sided box, 2.5 by 2 3/8 by 2.5, and it was $19.99. You might not be able to find it because this came out February of 2018, but it's $191.9857. It was on clearance, and I think I had an additional clearance off that 40%, but may not have. But anyway, I only get these when they're on clearance. So that is what it looks like. And the spellbinder's number is SR030. And this one I must say is mine, and I'm glad to say this one's mine. This fashionista paper because I had a hard time ever finding it. But it's so girly and feminine. And it's $5.99, 208-1406. And it is 12 by 12 double-sided papers with one elemental sheet. So you can see all those pretty papers in there. And those are the beautiful, gorgeous girly girl stickers, which I really like. So those are very feminine and pretty. These are some K & Company papers. I already own these actually, and I got these sets when Big Lots, when I first started, I think on YouTube, Big Lots was having a clearance, and I got them for like 90% off. They were like probably like $3.99 with 90% off. I think I got them so dirt cheap. But anyway, these are both $3.99. This one is called Jubilee, 210-6402. I'm going to pull mine out now. But, you know, K & Company has, they're known for their prints and being double-sided. And I think as a crafter, you always got to have some single-sided paper, and you got to have at least some paper that is double-sided, because depending on the projects, some projects you need to have double-sided paper, and some projects can work with either. But you should always have some in your stash in case you need something that you're looking inside of a box or something you made, you need inside. So much easier if it's double-sided versus you having to try to layer it. And at $3.99, it's a great way to get some double-sided paper. And this one is called it says BA Specialty. Whatever that is. Trying to see Blue Awning Specialty. So it is 210-6414. And this is a pretty one too, in the sense that it's hard to find some of these blues. I think this one, this pad right here probably was like the first one I think I got, I think. When was it? I'm trying to think. I think it was Big Lots. I know I got some from Big Lots, but I don't know if the, you know, it might not have been this exact one. It might have been something similar to it. I can't remember. Let me see when this came out. No, okay, yeah, because this is 2002. That's, I mean, 12, and it's 2011. So actually, I wasn't crazy. They are the same ones, because I'm gonna say it looks just like both of these, because I know I made some rolled flowers out of that. So they are the same ones. Okay, so the last thing, this is a mixture of embossing folders. They're all $1.49. They're all by Doris. And I'm just going to color coordinate them. And then go through them. Again, belong to different people. Anyway, so they're $1.49. And the last two digits should be the only thing that changes. Let me make sure they have different numbers on them. Yes. So this is 2109. 375. So it's 210-9375. And this one is called Hugs and Kisses. Hence, it says Hugs and Kisses. Quick card. You just run it through, emboss it. Boom. Use some ink in it. Boom. This one is Thanks. And it is 2096117. This was actually $1.99. I wasn't paying attention when I picked it up. I would have told them. Because that's $1.99 or this $1.49. But this is because this came in March of 19 and this came in April of 19. So hey, the prices went down from $2 to $1.49. So this one just says thanks, and it just says a whole bunch of other words like kindly, grateful, thoughts, gratitude, recession of gratitude, returning thanks. So it just says the definition up here of the word thanks. So again, it could be a quick card. You don't have time to do a lot of embellishments. This one says forever and ever. Oh, let me show you that up close. Sorry. That's what the things look like. And this says forever and ever, and it is $21,09374. $1.49. Nice to see the price go down. I think I own this exact one right here, which is passport 21,09372. I know I have one that looks almost, it should be the exact same one, but I know I have one with postal stamps on it. This one is Together is Our Favorite Place to Be, and this one is called Together, 21,09373. Don't worry, 21,09371. Don't worry, be happy. Nice donut card. Hello card, 21,09402. Again, quick, simple cards in a GIF. A thank you, 21,09390. This is just numbers. And 21,09396. And you can use this for other things besides just number, but for background texture as well, because I can give that abstract feeling as well. And this is the bicycle called bike, excuse me, and it's 21,09399. And I have this one too. It's called City, 21,09393. And actually, I could have sworn I saw 1393 already with a different name. Hold on one second. I think I did. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't. It was 373 and it's 393. Maybe that's what I thought that. Okay. Sometimes they have different numbers. And you gotta pay attention. It's hard to find it out. So it was a different one. Okay. So this is 21,09393, and that is City. That's a pretty card too. Make a nice background. This is Yay. 21,09403. Yay. And these are just some birds. 21,09397. Flying. It could be a nice sympathy card, going away card, moving out on your own, you know, leaving your parents' house, any kind of thing like that. This is Tassel, 21,09406. Again, that could be any kind of celebratory card. Lemons. And of course, this one's for my sister because she's a lemonaholic. 21,09409. And last but not least is Happy Birthday, 21,09391. And I posted a ton more on my IG, DaretoBeCreative1. And actually, I posted them last week. I just haven't had a chance to use the video. I am traveling for the next couple of weeks. And I'm so glad to say, because next week I will be, well, I don't know when this video will be up. I will be in Florida for a week. Yay. So I'm excited about that. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.